Introducing the CEMCO Fire Gasket. The fire gasket solution for fluted composite metal decking involves a standard bottom track installation. Our slotted track is then installed flush to the underside of the deck, and then a typical stud installation is performed. Fire Gasket is tested and certified in accordance with UL 2079 5th edition and has 12 separate UL reports that cover both concrete and fluted deck assemblies. The pink vinyl profile has a strip of factory applied intumescent tape along the inside leg which provides the fire stopping, while the upper corner features a 3/8" diameter hollow bubble gasket that provides an unbreakable seal to prevent both smoke and sound passage at uneven concrete or fluted decks. The lower leg features a pressure-sensitive foam tape with release paper. Once the release paper is removed from the fire gasket, it is ready to be installed against the leg of the track. This allows the installer to compress the bubble gasket firmly against the concrete to prevent any smoke, sound, or light that would otherwise be able to pass over the top web of the track. Once attached, fire gasket will not delaminate from the track. Fire gasket installation will not be negatively impacted by water or temperature, and there are no cleaning requirements within the joint or on the track. Fire gasket comes in 10-foot lengths in 3 profiles for 1/2 inch, 1 inch, and 1.5 inch total movement. Fire gasket is fully cured, flexible, preformed fire stopping that can be easily inspected immediately after installation. There is no shelf life and zero fatigue for the life of the assembly, making fire gasket the first choice for both LEED and lean building requirements. Once the mineral wool is properly installed, the fire gasket accommodates up to 1.5 inches of total movement and unlimited drift movement if allowed by the framing assembly. Uneven concrete can cause gaps between the installed track and the concrete. If not properly sealed, these types of gaps will create passageways for smoke, sound, and light to pass through the wall. Once the release paper is removed, the fire gasket is ready to be installed against the leg of the track. This allows the installer to compress the bubble gasket. The bubble gasket of the vinyl profile provides an unbreakable seal against uneven concrete. The fire gasket accommodates up to 1.5 inches of total movement and unlimited drift movement if allowed by the framing assembly, and is tested and certified according to UL 2079 5th edition and has an L rating of less than 1 CFM. Fire gasket provides superior STC values, where most acoustic sealants will only remain flexible for a period of time. The fire gasket joint system will remain flexible to maintain STC values for the life of the assembly. On an unbalanced 3 5/8 inch 20 EQ stud wall, fire gasket received an STC of 51. And on a balanced 3 5/8 wall, the fire gasket wall assembly received an STC of 55. For more information, visit CEMCOsteel.com.